Welcome back. It's now time for business. Litigants should embrace alternative dispute resolution to settle property cases to free up land for farming activities. Food and Agriculture Organization Land Governance Program Manager Husna Mbarak says court cases in Kenya take 6 years to adjudicate, which is affecting the available arable land.
Kenya spent 339 billion shillings on food and beverage imports between September 2022 to September 2023, representing a 41% increase when compared to a similar period a year earlier. The increase was blamed on distortion of global food supply chain and reduced local agricultural production, which agronomists project to continue persisting due to diminishing arable land and increasing population. To address the issue, the Food and Agriculture Organization is calling on the judiciary to sensitize the masses on alternative dispute resolution to speed the adjudication process and free up more land for agricultural activities.
When you take a case, when there are disputes, when there are conflicts, land is locked up. You cannot develop that land, you cannot produce from that land till that dispute is resolved.
Mbarak says most land under dispute remain idle during the judicial process.
I've seen cases up to 32 years have not been resolved. Nobody is doing anything on that land. We've seen properties being held under caveats in court.
AJS is informal. It is organic, it can transform itself in certain ways, and you can deal with matters very informally. The Civil Procedure Act that the courts use are very rigid, they are mechanical.
Among areas with increasing number of court cases involving land is regions where land is owned communally.
The most important thing is that the court will not exercise jurisdiction over community land unless and until the community has been allowed to undertake alternative justice system. So you have to come to court with proof that we have tried AJS.
Agronomists are also concerned about continued subdivision of arable land, noting that it is negatively affecting the volume of food produced, as well as driving up the cost of production.
This has worked very well, especially in Brazil. You find people are producing within their small plots. However, they do not construct in those small plots, and it is working up. They can mechanize the area. They can have access to water, a common pipe or power line.
Benson Juba reporting for Prime Edition.